In this Unity tutorial I will show you how to make this click to move function, where you can click around and the player moves towards wherever you've clicked. So let's get started. So right here I have a basic Unity scene with only a main camera, a directional light and a player object. This player object just has a sprite renderer. I've just added a white pixel here so it's just a square and I've set it to blue. What we're gonna do is create a C# script. So go down into the assets, right click, do create, and do C# script. I'll call this click to move 2D. Now double click to open it. In here we'll delete the start and update function. Then we'll add a public float move speed. I'll set this to 5. This is the speed which the player is going to be moving at. Then we'll add 2 private variables. We'll add a private vector3 called target push. This will be the target position, and we'll add a private bool called moving. This will be set to false at the beginning. Then we'll create an update function. In here we'll check if input.getMouse button down 0, so this is left click. Then we'll create a vector3 called mouse push, which will be equal to input.mouse position. We'll then set mouse position.c to be equal to mathf.apps camera.main.transform.position.c. Then we'll do vector3 world push, which will be equal to camera.main.screen to world point mouse push. Now we'll set the target push to be equal to a new vector3, which will hold the world push.x, world push.y, transform.position.c. This will make sure that we stay at the same place in the C position. Lastly, we'll set moving to be equal to true. Now let's handle the actual movement. So we'll do if moving, then transform.position will be equal to vector3.move towards transform.position. This is the current position. And then we'll set the target position, which will be target push. And then we just need the move speed, and we'll multiply this with time.delta time. This will make sure that we don't move any faster, even if we have a higher frame rate. Lastly, we'll check if the distance between the position and the target position is very small. So we'll do vector3.distance, and we'll input transform.position, target position is smaller than 0.05. And if so, we'll set moving to false. Now let's go back into Unity. In here we'll click on the player and drag our new C# script over here. Let's test. Now if I click around, as you can see, we move around. I can even increase the movement speed, and now we go very fast. And that's all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe. If you have any criticism, please let me know in the comments so I can improve these videos. And yeah, have an amazing day.